Good morning, students of class 9B. You are welcome in the period of mathematics. In this class, we will solve the questions of indices. Today, this is the last class. Today, we are going to complete this exercise. Question number 23A. Figure is given. In this figure, PQ is the tangent that touches the circle at point of contact A. This triangle ABC is circumscribed, in which angle ABC is given 85 degree and PQ is parallel to BC. These two informations are given. So in the first paragraph I have written all the informations. PQ is parallel to BC and angle ABC equal to 85 degree. We are asked to find angle ACB, this angle. For that, angle ABC equal to angle QAC, this angle equal to this angle. Why? Angle in the alternate segment. This angle is angle between the tangent and the chord, and the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to angle in the alternate segment. This is angle in the alternate segment for this angle. How do we identify? From here, just we cross this chord, we reached here, and then we will travel along this line to reach to the angle. We are reaching to this angle and the value of this is 85 degree. So it is important to know the method of identification along which side we will travel to get the angle in the alternate segment. As we cross this chord, we have two sides, this one and this one. We will not use this one because this is subtending an angle with the tangent. We will travel opposite of this chord. This chord is not used to subtend this angle. So we will travel along this side and will reach to this angle. So this angle is angle in the alternate segment for this angle, that is angle between the tangent and the chord. So these two angles will be equal. Therefore I have written here angle ABC equal to angle QAC, means these two angles are equal, that is equal to 85 degree. In bracket I have written the reason angle in the alternate segment. For this angle, this became the angle in the alternate segment, so I wrote in the bracket. Now, these two angles will be equal. Why do we say? These two angles are alternate angles because PQ and BC, these two are parallel sides. So these two angles will be angle in the alternate angle. These alternate angles, these two will be alternate angles. And for that I have written here angle QAC, this angle is equal to angle ACB, this angle. So QAC was 85 degree, so ACB will also be 85 degree, and for that I have written reason in bracket, since PQ is parallel to BC. These two sides are parallel, therefore these two are alternate angles, these two angles will be equal. Question number 24A. This figure is given. In this figure, triangle RST is circumscribed, in which ST equal to RT, that is given. TR equal to TS, means these two sides are equal, and one tangent is drawn through the point of contact T. The tangent is PQ. We are asked to find angle PTS, this angle PTS. So first of all I wrote the given informations. TR equal to TS, these two sides are equal, I wrote here. Angle RST is 62 degree, I wrote here. Now we are asked to find angle PTS, that also I have written here. Now solution. Since these two sides are equal, therefore these two angles will be equal from the isosceles property, and for that I have written angle RST equal to angle SRT equal to 62 degree, since TR equal to TS. I have written the reason also. TR equal to TS. Here will be big bracket. Now these two angles we have 62 and 62. We can find the third angle of the triangle. For that I have written RTS equal to 180 degree minus 62 degree plus 62 degree. Reason, the sum of angles of a triangle. So 180 degree minus 124 degree. This subtraction became 56 degree. So RTS, this angle equal to 56 degree. Now we are going to find this angle PTR. angle PTR is equal to angle RST, because angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to angle in the alternate segment. For this angle, this is angle in the alternate segment. I repeat the idea to identify. Just I have to cross this chord I raised here. Then we have to travel along the side that is not used to subtend this angle. Means this is the side, along this side we have to travel to reach to the angle I raised here, and their angle is 62 degrees. So this angle is angle in the alternate segment for this angle between the tangent and the chord. So these two angles will be equal. I have written here RST equal to PTR equal to 62 degree. Reason is angle in the alternate segment. Now we are asked to find PTS and PTS angle PTS equal to angle RTS, means this angle plus this angle. This angle is angle PTR. If you add these two angles, we will get PTS. So RTS we have, that is 56 degree, and PTR also I have got 62 degree. I have added these two and I got the result 118 degree. That is the answer. In question number 25a, figure is given. In this figure you are saying two tangents are drawn from the external point D. Those two tangents are BD and CD. Their points of contacts are B and C. O is the center, and these 2 points of contacts B and C are joined, OB and OC. And from here B and C, one angle is subtended at the circumference, that is angle BAC. We are asked to find angle BAC, this angle. So I wrote the given information. BDC is equal to 44 degree. How will we get angle BAC? Let us see. Angle OBD equal to angle OCD equal to 90 degree. Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent, therefore this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. We should give the symbol of 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now we can find this angle BOC. As we know, the sum of all 4 angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle BOC equal to 360 degree minus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 44 degree. Means to get this angle, we will subtract the sum of these 3 angles from 360 degree. Reason is the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. I solved it. 360 minus 224, I got this subtraction 136 degree. So this angle became 136 degree. Now this angle is angle at the circumference for this angle at the center. So angle at the circumference, that is angle BAC, is equal to half of angle at the center, that you know from the angle properties. Angle BAC equal to half of angle BOC. I have written the reason also, angle at the circumference. So this equal to angle BAC is equal to 1 by 2 into 136. I simplified it and I got the result 68 degree. So angle BAC equal to 68 degree.